In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Philips TV. Since you're watching this video, you're probably having some sort of problem with your Philips TV, and resetting it just might get it working again. Before I show you how to do the factory reset, I usually recommend on most of my videos trying what they call a soft reset first, because a factory reset will basically wipe your TV set clean of any settings, any apps, and everything that you have, and you'll have to install and reload it all again. You should probably try, if possible, the reset that I'm going to describe here, the soft reset first. If that doesn't work, then we will do the hard reset, the factory reset, and then that should probably take care of your problem. Now, the soft reset is real easy to do. All you need to do is unplug the TV from the wall. Don't turn it off by the remote control. Unplug it from the wall, wait 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. In most cases, this will solve a lot of your problems. Okay, if this doesn't take care of your problem, then you can do the factory reset. Again, this will basically return your TV back to the original way that you bought it, so any settings that you made on it, any apps, will be all gone. Okay, to do the reset, go through these steps. Press the setting or the home button on your remote, select all settings, select general settings, then select reinstall TV. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.